Hi there, you're watching this. It's got to mean this.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Welcome back. What's the one question I get probably asked more than any other is, hey Steve Dog, how good are these dental toothpicks you can buy off Amazon and other places? Well, I've tried one before and it was absolute tosh, but then I decided to try this and the box is atrocious, but it's called the Zoccee. The Zoccee? What's in the box? I'm going to show you now what's in the box and I'll give you my review of this because I've used this for a couple of days. Well, as I said, I've been using it, so I've opened the box previously. Let's show you what's in there. You've got instructions, you've got further instructions, you've got packaging, you've got one of these little gubbins here, which is it's quite a decent one actually. I might be able to see my own face in that, maybe not, but it's quite a good little mirror one. It's metal, that's quite nice. Recharging cable, you've got an alternative thing on the end, but this is the main thing we're interested in. This is the Zoccee pick. Now, what is it? What does it look like? Well, got a nice cap on the end. There's the end there, which you can use to getting around your teeth. And it is as simple as you can press the button to switch her on. And you've got a light on the end, and you can turn that light on or off as well. And that light is really bright and is useful when you are descaling your teeth. And then you've got basically a button on the front there which allows you to shift between the different modes. So you've got normal, middle, strong and so on. But this thing doesn't seem to be working. What on earth's going on? So if you've got one of these Zoccees and it's switched on, you think it isn't working. It is actually working. You can touch it, you can't feel anything, but as soon as it touches your teeth, a tooth, use this ceramic thing just to show you. Listen for this dentist type sound. Can you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that or not. So there we go. Yeah, it makes that dentist sound. It's doing that dentist thing. And what you'll find is if you use this, when you're going around your gum line and things like that, you're not actually scraping like you are maybe with a non-electrical one or even the ones that vibrate. You're not scraping, you're just going in and finding your way along the tooth. And then this effectively makes that tartar, as I call it, the carbonized calciumized plaque disintegrate, and it sort of disintegrates into your spit. You spit out and you see how it's gone. So this is the Zoccee toothpick. There's the image there of what it looks like on Amazon, because that's where I got it. It cost me about 30 quid. You can get it a little bit cheaper at times. Is it any good? This is magic. This is absolutely brilliant. You recharge it on the bottom there using the micro USB. I haven't even had to charge it yet. Straight out of the box, it was ready to go. Hold the button for a little while, for 2 seconds, it'll switch off. There it goes, all switched off. Nice protective cap on top, and change that to a flat one if you want. And that's it, and off you go. That is how you scrub or clean your teeth. And I think it's well worth it. It's less than the price of going to the dentist. And for me, it really does work. Catch you guys on the Too Smooth flip side.
I couldn't have said it better myself.